Are you tired of waking up every morning and sounding like this? Because I sure am. Why don't you go out to your nearest CVS and get you some nighttime cold flu relief and take you some? It's a 3-gulp bottle. Now, I tell you, a 3-gulp bottle meaning you take 3 gulps and gone. So your first gulp is the first night, your second gulp in the morning, and the third gulp that night, and it's gone. Now listen, it had 10% alcohol in its gun of a son, so be careful. Be careful. Okay, so I have my 1/3 left, and as you see, guys, I feel amazing. Okay, you smell that? I can. You hear his voice? I do. So why don't you go out to your nearest CVS and why don't you go snack yourself, okay?